So I'm going to show you how to use a calculator to make the table of values of a graph which is a curve. So the first thing, you need to press the lower value of x. Let's say for example -5. Then you press shift x. Then the second step, you need to press alpha x -1 shift x. This, when you subtract 1, this shows that your values will be decreasing or increasing with the range of 1. Then you will replay the values on the screen by then change the negative sign to be positive. Then you continue to display the bar. Then you press alpha pole to make sure that there is a full colon appearing on the displaying on the screen. Then you write your equation. Let's say for example alpha x squared plus 3 alpha x, then plus 2. So if you want to obtain the results of your curve, it will be like this. You press on the equal sign. When your answer on the screen displays like this with the word here disp, this one, this shows that this is the value of x. But when it displays like this without displaying the disp sign here, this shows that that is the value of y. So when you write your table of values, you're gonna write like this. Give me the best pen. Where is the best pen? So it will be like this. Here in this row we'll be writing the values of x, and then the values of y. So the first value of x was -5, then the corresponding value of y was 12, which is displaying on the screen now. So the next value of x will be, so let's continue. There was an error somewhere. So the corresponding value of x, which is y, was 12. Then we go to the next value, -4. Then the corresponding value of y will be 6. Then -3, whereby y will be 2. Then -2, the corresponding value of y will be 0. Then -1, value of x, value of y will be 0. Then value of x, when the value of x is 0, the value of y will be 2. When the value of x is 1, the value of y is 6. So let's try this on, to put this on a Cartesian plane, which is also is our graph. The graph will look like this. This is the y-axis, then this will be this one will be our x-axis. So will just number our Cartesian plane. So this will be 1, let's say this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, like this. Make sure you mark the points at the correct place. So here we'll be having, we will also number our Cartesian plane at the x-axis, at the y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, continuing onwards. Then never forget to mark your at the negative side, -1, -2, -3, -4, continuing like that to the downward lane. So when we start plotting our graph, we'll take our values of x corresponding to y, whereby our x is -5 and y is 12. Though our graph does not our y-axis does not reach at the 12 point mark, so we'll start by -4 and 6. So our -4 is here, then 6 is here. So we'll follow this line upwards until when we reach at the 6th point, which is here. So you need to mark with the star. Then -3, 2. -3, 2 you mark like this. Then -2, 0. -2, 0. Then -1, 0. -1, 0. Then 0, 2. 0, 2. Then 1 will be 6, 1 upwards and up to this point, 6. So our graph, we need to follow, we need to join these dots with a line, which whereby when you draw from this point to this point, you need to draw without removing your pen. So our curve will look like this, though I'm not perfect when it comes to drawing curves. So this is just a sketch. It will look like this. Sorry. That is how we have obtained our curve. And that is all. Thank you. Subscribe to this channel and also make sure that you keep on touch so that you can follow other examples done by on how to use a calculator and other mathematical gadgets. Thank you.